Okay guys, so we're going to be doing a rice sensory bin. Yes, you're going to need distilled vinegar, rice, a measure just to put in the rice into. Yes, into the bags. I got 4 Ziplocs here because I have 4 different colors that we're going to do. Ready? Okay. Okay guys, so what we're going to do is open. We're going to open up the bag like so. We're going to get our scoop. We're going to scoop rice in. Want to help? We're going to grab it and we are going to scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop it in here. Good job. Now, we are going to do, what color do you want to do? Green? Go ahead, get the green. We are gonna open. You want to, ready? Whoa, okay. How much? Meow, 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 meow. You want to leave it just green? Or you want to mix it? Mix it or leave it like this? Like this? Okay. Then we're gonna get a little bit of the vinegar. And we're going to do a tiny, tiny splash in here. Ready? Tiny splash. Splash. Let's see how that works. We're going to seal the bag. Now, mix. You want to help? Mix, 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 mix. Wow, look at that color. Isn't it nice? Mix, 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 mix. Look at that color. Wow. We're going to mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. I'm going to put this aside, okay? Get another baggie. We're going to help. Open. We're going to open. We're going to go ahead and scoop another scoop. Want to help? And into the baggie. Good job. Okay, what color? Blue? Okay. Mommy, open. Go ahead. Blue, in here. Blue, 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 blue. Go, go, go. Yay! Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good job. Good squeezing. Okay, do you want just blue or you want to mix it? You want blue and you want to put another color or no? Ooh, good squeezing. Look at that. Wow. Okay. You want to leave it blue or you want to mix another color in? Okay, red? Okay, go ahead. Mix in the red. Mix, 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 mix. Squeeze. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yay! Okay, that's it for that one. You want to mix another color or all done with that one? Yellow? Okay, go for it. Squeeze it in here. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Done with that one? More? Okay. Okay. Now mommy does this part, okay? A little splash of vinegar. Ready? Splash. Small splash. Ooh, a little bit more. There we go. Now we are gonna get the baggie. You see that? Beautiful! What are we gonna do? Mix, mix, mix. Help. Help. Mix, mix, mix. Or look, like this. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. See what color this is. Kind of looks like it's turning into a black color. Wow. Huh? It's like a dark green. So we have a green one and then like a darker green one. Oh, those are amazing. Okay, let's do 2 more. Ready? Go ahead. You want to help? Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Blah. Good job. More. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Good job. Dun, 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 dun. Fill it all the way up. Go on. Good job. You want to put it in here? Okay, go for it. Yeah. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Yay. Uh-oh, there we go. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Look at that squeezing. Okay. Go on. Dum, dum. 1. Oh, 2. Squeeze. Good job. Good job. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, 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 scoop. Good job. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Scoop, scoop, scoop. Yes! Wow. Good job. Are you filling it all the way to the top? Yeah? Say yes. No? Okay. Good job. There's more room. Here, you can put the rest there. Good scooping. You want to pour it? Okay. Go for it. Yes! Good job. Now we're going to put this in there. Okay. What color do you want to do? You want green again? Okay, you can do green. Ready? Pour it in there. Putting yellow in there. Wow. Are you done with this one or you want more? Go ahead. Go like this. Good job. Wanna help? Wanna help? Mix, 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 mix. Wow. This is another green. This is a little bit in between the last two. Mm-hmm. Yes, so we have this green, which is 1. This green, which is 2. This green, which is 3. And this green, which is 4. Good job. You want to do like a red one?
Eggs there if you want some.
We're going to go to the table or wherever we want to lay it down. Leave the bag open from one side. Leave the bag open. We're going to lay it flat and leave it like that for a couple hours, okay? Okay guys, we actually let this dry until the next day. So we have yellow. You want to get the yellow? Put it there. We have like a dark green. You have another kind of olive green. We have a red one. We have a kind of minty green. And last but not least, we have a very dark green. Now we get a bin. This is gonna be our bin. Our bin we are going to pour. Good job. We're gonna pour in the colorize. Yes! Shake it off. Yes! job. Yeah. What do? We open. Can you open? Open. Yes. Go ahead. Yes. Woo. Now what do? We mix. Mix it. Mix it, mix it, mix it. Good job. Mix it, baby. And there's your sensory bin. Scoop in there. You can add little plates in there. You can add, this was from a Happy Meal toy. From Onward. And you can add little creatures like dinosaur. 2 more. Good job. Good job.